Here the question says Huixian needs to pack 171 pens, 63 pencils, 27 erasers into identical gift bags so that each item is equally distributed among the gift bags. The question is that number one, find the largest number. This is the keyword. Largest number of gift bags that can be packed. And number two, find the number of each item in a gift bag. So when the question says largest number of gift bags, that means you need to find out the HCF, highest common factor. So find out the HCF. Look, 171, then 63, then 27. Look, 27 can be divisible by 3. 3 9s are 27 and 3 3s are 9. 63 can be divisible by 3. 3 21 ja 63, 3 7 ja 21. Okay, right now 171 is divisible by 3. 3 5s are 15, then 21, 3 7s are 21. 57 is divisible by 3 again because 5 plus 7 12. 12 is divisible by 3. So 3 1 ja 3, 27, 3 9 ja 27. Now 171 can be written as 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 19. 63 can be written as 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 7. And 27 can be written as 3 into 3 into 3. How can we find out the HCF? Look, these 3, this loop, okay, and this loop. These 3 and 3. So HCF will be 3 multiplied by 3, that will be 9. Simple. Now question number 2, find the number of each item in a gift bag. So how can we find out number of the each item in a gift bag? This is very simple. So then we can say in a gift bag, we can give how many pens? We can give the number of pens will be 171 by 9 because 9 means we have in total 9 bags, or we can make in total 9 bags, and in each bag we can give 171 by 9 pens. We can give the pencils, number of pencils will be 63 divided by 9, and the number of erasers will be, the number of erasers will be 27 divided by 9. In each bag we can give 19 pens, 7 pencils and 3 erasers.